Hello, coaches. Hello, friends, international and local in the Philippines. I just want to do this short video to tell you that you can have more friends and from the WowApp if you're promoting businesses and you want to network. This WowApp is the best source because you can see where the person is coming from. So what you need to do is you go to leaderboard and then you hit I'm here right now. So these are the region, and you can find other people who are with United States flag over there, or you go to the products over here and you can see, you scroll to the left or scroll to the right, you can see the flags of the members, right? So they are not your friends. They are the people playing games over here. You see weekly earners from games. And then if you uh, scroll down, weekly earners from instant earn, okay? You just have to scroll to the right, scroll to the left, so you can find people from Canada, Australia, and the weekly donation thing here. Just scroll down and have and click their profile and message them. But when messaging, don't mention right away what you're up to. Just like this morning, I think I received one message from someone here in the United States. So I'm gonna click the chat here. Okay, and someone sent me an invite to be added to his, he wants to be added to my contact list. So when you click this name, so he's the one who messaged me. And this is a funny question. He's asking if I'm a real engineer. That's funny. And I was in the city, so I was parked in this handicap. And look here. Do you look at other opportunities to make money online? So his purpose is to offer me something, right? So if you're ready to promote your whatever business you have or networking in other things, yeah, it's up to you what you want to say, or if you want to add friends. That's the purpose of adding friends from who are already a member of WowUp. Okay, you're not gonna get credit by adding them, but you're gonna you can take advantage of promoting your business. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you're enjoying WowUp. Okay, dokie. Thank you so much. Again, this is Engineer Leth. Bye bye. God bless you all.